Hello everyone. Today I have decided to declutter my wardrobe. It's a time consuming task, and before starting, I'm going to prepare some fresh juice to enjoy later. The reason I'm decluttering and organizing my wardrobe is to help me wear clothes that make me happy and look good every day. Definitely, this time I'm going to keep aside all the clothes which don't fit me anymore and make me feel guilty, and I'm going to donate them. My juice is ready, and let me keep them to chill and let's get to work. I'm taking out all the clothes and get a clear idea of what all I have. This is so overwhelming, let me tell you. I got a mini shock of how much clothes I already have and no more Myntra shopping for some time now. I have a two-door wardrobe. You can see that this is full length without any shelf. All I have is this single rod where I can hang the clothes, and on top of it I have a small shelf. There is so much of dust inside the corners and there is a musty smell inside. I'm going to vacuum and use a mild soap to clean the dust and remove the funky smell. I'm going to let the cupboard breathe some air and dry before keeping the clothes. If you have a wardrobe like mine where there is no direct sunlight coming in, best would be to clean the wardrobe at least once in 3 months with antibacterial soap to keep it humid free and mold free. This is my travel bag and I'm going to air it outside in the balcony. And this is going to be my storage for the extra bags, miscellaneous item and guest blankets. A big tip I can give you is to get rid of the clothes that don't fit you. The material is something which you are not comfortable in and doesn't make you feel the best. Be totally ruthless. You don't have to live with bad choices. Get rid of it and move on. It will make you happier. Now, if you're still doubtful, keep aside, and if you haven't still used them for 6 months, then get rid of it. I'm picking up all the sleeveless and cotton clothes to wear this season and I'm going to hang them like this. Another tip which has worked great for me is color coordination. Color coordination helps me to display all the colors I have and it makes it fun and easy to create outfits by mixing and matching. It's like essentially creating a giant color wheel and also helps to understand if I want to buy a particular color. Like here you can see that I have a lot of whites and literally no green or purple color clothes. So next time when I go for shopping, I'll know which color to buy if I want to really experiment. One of the best investment I have made for the wardrobe is this hanging storage with 6 compartment. Unfortunately, I don't have any shelves, so this is perfect and it is 125 centimeter height, tall enough for the wardrobe without any shelves. This is rental friendly. You can see it has strong grip like hook and loop kind of a thing. The name and link of the product is provided in the description box. It is from IKEA. I'm so thirsty right now. The weather in UAE is very parchy and makes you feel dehydrated very soon. In summers, I love the idea of slushies which I used to get near the Thane railway station or crushers from KFC or even Gola. You remember? I'm going to make coconut strawberry slushy today. These are plastic with net storage bag. I got it in a pack of 5, so it comes in big to medium to small size. I have this for over 5 years now and it is good. I use this for my travel as well because you can easily segregate the clothes and it's convenient to use. And you will be amazed by how much clothes it can tightly pack. I prefer rolling the clothes to fit well. In this 5 bag, the bigger bag has my kurtis and churidar and traditional wear, while the medium one I have put all my one-piece dresses. Another one I have put all my leggings because leggings can be misplaced so easily. And the last two I have kept for my extra innerwear and socks. Now comes my suction bag. Summer is here, so it is time to tuck away my winter clothes. The suction helps to compress the woolen clothes and makes it compact to store. To create the vacuum, all you have to do is use your vacuum cleaner and use the front nozzle of it. Another tip to save a lot of space in your cupboard is rolling your clothes because it helps to make the clothes size compact. And here I am rolling all of my full sleeve clothes because I ain't gonna use this for the summers. Another important thing is storing the pads well. I always have this problem when the periods are on and I would be imagining that I have pads, but the most of the time I have to rush to the medical store and buy them. So that is kind of unpleasant and not a great habit. So I wanted to put a dedicated space to keep my pad and other items. So I got this tray from IKEA. It is a very small tray, perfect for the pad sizes. So I have dedicated the lower smaller cabinet for the pads and the hot bags, which is so much useful during my period days. Another great storage idea is buying these boxes. These are plastic boxes from IKEA and they comes in variety of sizes. So I have a bigger one and a small one too. The big one I am currently going to use to store all the clothes which I am doubtful. So if I'm not using these clothes for 6 months, I am going to get rid of it. Here I have kept my single item, that is belt, for easy access. In the first area I have kept my joggers. These are the mandatory joggers which I wear almost daily, so I have in different colors. And down I have kept all my nightwears and loungewears. So these are all t-shirts here and these are pants. And here I have kept all my innerwears, and this is my gym wear, so I have couple of t-shirt and leggings. Down I have kept my period things, that is pads and hot bag. And here I have kept my hair turban and a bathrobe. And the IKEA box, I have kept all of my clothes or tops which I am going to wear in winters. So there are tops, there are pants which I'm not going to use for the season of summer. So everything is good here. I still have a lot of space here. If I want to use it for future, I can keep certain things here, but as of now I've kept it free. And here I have kept all of my things in a hanger. So I have coordinated all my tops as per color, starting from light to dark. So this is Vishal's jacket, so since it is long, he kept it here. And I have also kept my pants. So since it is summers, I am wearing more of cotton pants than jeans. So these are cotton pants, these are palazzo. I really like them. And coming to the top part, I have kept the bag, luggage bag, and my winter clothes. So winter clothes I'm going to take probably in the month of December or so. So till then it is going to be here. And I have kept all of my traditional wears in this and one piece dress in here. So it is all set there. So this is my wardrobe, how I have kept. So on a daily basis, I'm going to use this part and this part maybe weekly. So this is how I have organized it and I'm quite happy with it. Finally, it is that time where I can sit and relax and read the book. The book which I'm currently reading is The Goldfinch by Donna Tartt, and there was a beautiful quote which I was totally relating while I was decluttering my wardrobe, and it says like this: caring too much for objects can destroy you. Only if you care for a thing enough, it takes on a life of its own, doesn't it? And isn't the whole point of things, beautiful things, that they connect you to some larger beauty? Well said, right? Donna Tartt is such a beautiful writer. You should definitely read The Goldfinch. I love shopping my Indian products from Aladil, and I'm going there today. Mostly I bulk buy pulses and we get them at good prices. In my next video, I'm definitely going to share with you all things you should buy in Aladil which would save you some money and some interesting things too. Tonight I'm going to make some sprouted sabzi. I'm going to add oil to the kadai, jeera and some chopped garlic. Add thinly sliced onions, green chilies and tomatoes and saute until mushy. To this I'm going to add turmeric powder, coriander powder, some asafoetida and red chili powder. And garam masala if you like. To cook well the masalas, add a little bit of water. To cook the sprouts, you need not put a lot of water. It depends upon the consistency you like. I'm going to eat it with chapati, so I'm going to make it a little dry. And finally garnish it with lots of coriander leaves. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Until next time. Bye.